Increasing sales with GetResponse involves using its powerful email marketing, automation, and lead generation tools to engage prospects and nurture customer relationships. Here's how you can leverage GetResponse for sales growth. Build an email list. Start by building a targeted email list using GetResponse's opt-in forms, landing pages, and pop-ups. Ensure you're capturing relevant information to segment your audience for personalized campaigns. Create engaging email campaigns. Use GetResponse's drag-and-drop email editor to design visually appealing emails that promote your products or services. Craft compelling subject lines and include strong calls to action to drive conversions. Implement automation. Set up autoresponders and workflows to send timely, automated emails based on user actions. This helps nurture leads and turn them into paying customers. Run webinars. Use GetResponse's webinar tool to host live sessions where you can demonstrate your products, educate your audience, and answer questions in real time. Webinars are a great way to build trust and close sales. Retargeting ads. Integrate Facebook and Google Ads with GetResponse to retarget visitors who interacted with your site or emails, driving them back to your sales pages and boosting conversions.